In this tutorial, we will show how to do networking in DXC panel. In DXC, we can network up to 16 loop. First, we will start with connection part. To connect DXC panel in networking, we require network card, one for each panel, which should be connected on SK1 terminal on baseboard. Power down the panel to install the network card. Now we will do the connection for networking. In network card, we have A1B and A2B ports. Cable for first panel network A1B should be connected on second network on A2B. Connection should be from A1 to A2 and B to B. This connection are for class linear wiring. If you want to do class loop wiring, then from second panel network card A2 to first panel network on A1 and second panel network card B to first panel network B. Distance should not be more than 1 kilometer with recommended cable. Once the connection is done, we can now power on the panel. Now we will show how to do programming for networking. Here we will do peer-to-peer networking. First, to enable level 2 operation, press the OK key. The display will show the status menu screen. We need to select Action option by pressing key number 5. The display will then prompt to enter the access level 2 passcode. Enter the level 2 passcode using the numeric keys. After entering the level 2 passcode, the following panel action menu screen is displayed. We need to select commissioning option by pressing key number 7. The display will prompt to enter the level 3 passcode. Enter the level 3 passcode using the numeric key. The display will prompt the user to unlock the memory by pressing OK button. The display will then show the commissioning menu option. Now we need to select General option by pressing key number 1. There are multiple options in General setting. We need to select Network option by pressing the down arrow button. Select the Network option and then press OK button. The Network option screen is displayed with the default selected as No. We need to change it to Yes by pressing key number 2. Once the Yes is highlighted, then press OK key. After the display will show 4 options: Panel ID, Panel Text, Network Topology, Remote Panels. First we have to assign the panel ID, which will be the network address of the panel. To configure the panel ID, press the button number 1. To enter a panel ID in the range 1 to 99, use the numeric buttons to enter the address. As we have 2 panels in networking, so we are giving panel ID as 1 to first panel and panel ID as 2 to our second panel. Press the OK button to confirm the panel IDs. Second option is panel text, which will be the network panel name. To give the panel text, press the button number 2. To enter a panel text, use the alphanumeric buttons. Panel text may be up to 20 characters. Here we are giving panel text as panel 1 in panel 1. Press the OK button to confirm the panel text. Third option is network topology, which will be the wiring style used for networking. In network topology, press the button number 3. Select the type of network wiring, linear or loop. For linear, press the button number 1, or for loop, press the button number 2. Press the OK button to confirm the network topology. Fourth option is remote panels, which will be used to create a list of all other panels in networking. For remote panels, press the button number 4. Then display will show Add New Panels. Press OK button to enter. Then panel ID and panel text options are displayed. In panel ID option, we should add all the panels which are in networking. When every panel on the network has been added, press enter button to display the list of remote panels. In panel text option, we can give location to the remote panels which are added. Here the network programming has completed. Now we will come out of the commissioning option. Same programming need to be done in second panel also. But we must change the panel ID in panel 2 as panel ID 2. And in remote ID, we must add panel number 1. We have completed the networking process between DXC panel. Explore